there, and welcome to Unboxing Canada with Adil Ouda. With a new box, a big one this time. It's huge. I don't know what's gonna be in there, but let's open it together and see what's in there. So we'll go ahead and open it from here. I see MSI. Doesn't that, guys, remind you of something? You remember the MSI big screen that we have there? See that, the big one there? That's also an MSI. So it might be a screen too. Let's open it. What's in it? What's in it? What's in it? What's... Okay, until I open it, guys, can you guys judge what's in it? I know I'll be putting in the title the name of it, but maybe I'll change the strategy and don't put the title. Don't put the name of it. Okay, let's see what is there. What is in there? What is in there? Yeah, it's just an MSI. So let's open it here and see what's in it. So next time, I don't know, in regard to the title, should I put the name of the product on the title, or I just put it without the product name so you guys can judge? Let me know in the comments and let me know what is your ideas about that. So let's open it here and see what's in it. I don't know if I'm opening from here or from... Okay, let's see. All right, guys. So let's see what's in it. Wow. That's cool. It looks so amazing. Do you guys want to see it? I don't know. Let's see. One by one. One step by one step. 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 It's huge. And it looks so amazing. So perfect. Are you sure that that camera is filming up? Because I know they're waiting and excited. Don't move it. Oh my God. All right, guys. Let's see again. Try to open it. Open it. Open it. And do you guys see it? Do you guys see what I see? Or you guys are just looking at the box? Okay. The camera guys are saying they can't see it. But right now I think they can see it. So it looks so amazing. So let me just remove this. Wow. Okay, so let's remove this. Wow, that's what is that? That's a computer? Wow, it looks so nice, so amazing, so beautiful. It looks, wow, really amazing. Wow, surprise, surprise. What's in there? Okay, let's flip it up. See what it is. Wow, it looks so big. Wow, this is an amazing computer, guys. It's amazing. It has everything inside it. Everything that you would imagine, it's inside this computer here. It's really amazing. It's fantastic. It's MSI, that's the signs. And guess what, guys? I'll surprise you and tell you what is inside it. It is empty, guys. Nothing. As you can see here, the glass, it's nothing. It shows nothing at all. So, sorry guys to lie to you, but it's not a computer, it's just a case. So basically you remember the hard disk that we tried to fix in the other video, just trying to, oh, there's like scratches here. Is that scratches on the glass itself? Oh. Yeah, it's what's up, Amazon. I got it from Amazon, and I don't know why it's the scratches here. So I don't think it's not in the glass, but it's on the, what is this guy's got called?
Shield.
On the shield, or yeah. Well, that's how it looks, but really that made me upset. But you know what? I wouldn't return it for now. So you remember, guys, that the computer that I had previously, that we tried to buy a graphic card and it's not fitting, and then we got another graphic card and it's not fitting. So we thought, you know what, we'll just change the whole case and get everything from that computer to this case. So the case came up with a cable. So the cables are here. Basically, it's inside. You can see here down. These are the cables. So everything is in here. Now, what's amazing about this, when I read the reviews, they are, easily to open. So you can just use this one here. But the review also say that sometimes it's easy to get lost. So this is how you remove it. And this is how you remove it from the side also. Because we need to remove that actually. You know what? Because we need to set up everything, right? So it's easily removed. Simple. Yeah, I got it out. So easy. So what we do in our other channel, Learn With Us How To, we'll teach you how to transfer everything from the old computer into this. Let me get the old computer. Just give me a moment. So everything what's in this mini computer, mini HP, we'll just move it and just move it to this new case. So, and that will be in another video on our other channel, which is Learn With Us How To. And as you can see, this case, how amazing it is. You can see everything here, all the wires. These are some, yeah, I think we would need this to connect, the things that are inside the motherboard, graphic cards and everything. So, okay, this was going to fall down. And all the wires are here. And as you can see here, this is the glass. You can see everything inside. That's what I like about it. But also what I like about it, when I saw the reviews and everything, it lights up. So there is like a fan here, and then there's a fan that side, and all of them are MSI, so it lights up. There's a light, and so it will be looking cool. So we'll, as we say, we'll show that in our other channel, Learn With Us How To. We'll put the link to our other channel under this video. And yeah, don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and comment below, and share this video with all your friends. And in case, guys, if you have a product, your business, your small business, big business, anything, and you want us to unbox your product and talk about it and give you a review about it, then contact us. We created a new website. It's called unboxingcanada.ca .com. Both are ours. They lead to the same website. You can go there, contact us, and then we'll do the unboxing for you, and we'll do the review. Again, don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment below. Thank you very much, and hasta la vista.